Welcome to your morning meditation. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw release. Let your hands rest. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow breath out through your mouth. Again, breathe in fully and breathe out completely. One more. A long breath in and a gentle breath out. Now just notice you are breathing all through the night without you trying. Your breath was with you. Your heart was beating. Your cells were healing. Your body was quietly loving you while you slept. Gently bring your awareness to this body. Feel the weight of it. Feel the warmth. This body that carries you through every single day quietly. From your heart say, thank you. Thank you, body, for being here. Thank you, breath, for staying with me. Now take a moment to zoom out. You are a soul in a body, on a small blue planet, spinning through an infinite, mysterious universe. Out of countless possibilities, you are here, in this exact life. In this exact moment. That is not small. That is a miracle. The world will tell you many stories today. Some of them heavy, some of them painful, and some of them true. But this is also true. You are breathing. The sun rose again. Somewhere, someone loves you. Something good is possible today. You are not just what the news tells you. You are a human having this rare and beautiful experience called life. Now let us gently plant some seeds for your day. Repeat quietly inside your heart. I am breathing. I am safe. I am loved. I am enough exactly as I am. I have everything I need in this moment. I am open to joy. I am open to wonder. I am open to peace. I am grateful for this body. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this day. I am stronger than I think. I am kinder than I realize. I carry light within me, and I share it. Today is a gift, and I get to be part of it. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently and release it slowly. Like a smile spreading through your body. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this peace, this gratitude, this breath into your whole day. You are here, you are alive, one breath at a time. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free chakra activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today.